What's up, guys? Welcome to Jinked Inc. I'm Courtney.
And I'm Doug, and in today's Motivational Monday video, we're going to discuss whatever you're doing, how to make it more exciting.
According to Janet Jackson, strobe lights make everything sexy.
And slow-mo makes things look a little bit more epic.
Music and good sound design give life to production.
But what if it's something that we're doing that doesn't look so sexy?
Or maybe it's just something that's not that exciting.
Yeah, I mean, we're gonna do stuff that we don't like.
It could be a job in a field that we don't like.
Or it can be in the field that we like and just not like the project.
Maybe it's a task that we're not really looking forward to doing, like
Yeah.
cleaning the house.
Yeah, whatever it is you're doing, you can have the right mindset in getting the job done and having fun.
Yeah, and even if it's not that fun, at least having the right mindset is better than going into it begrudgingly and with a bad attitude.
Yeah, I mean, that's just gonna drag out the project.
How do we make things more exciting?
Well, you could fake it till you make it.
Just make sure you don't break it. But now, seriously, so say you're doing something like sweeping up the house. Throw on some jams, dance your little heart away, and sweep up that dirt.
Yeah, and if it's a boring project at work, be like a kid with a really great imagination and pretend like you like what you're doing. Or you can have a great imagination and pretend you're on a quest and you have to get the job done or the world is gonna perish.
If it's a project that you're not that fond of, put your own spin on it. And if there's not a lot of room for creativity, take it as an exercise or a learning experience. And it's work, it's money, it's practice.
Yeah, you can always take something away, no matter what it is.
Whatever the task, have fun doing it. Make sure to enjoy yourself in whatever you do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up.
And if you like our content, hit that subscribe button.
And until next time, be kind
Stay positive.
and keep creating.